Hi, good morning, guys. So, once again, one of our courts in South Africa, this time around the Constitutional Court, the main court in South Africa, ruled against AfriForum. They say no, there's nothing wrong with kill the boer, kill the farmer. It's absolutely normal. Go and sing, go and flock the streets and sing kill the boer, kill the farmer. And it's very sad to see that the Constitutional Court, a court that is mandated to protect the life of all that live in a country, would make such a type of ruling. This topic of kill the boer, kill the farmer is a very hot topic in the mouth of many South Africans. And people is calling on the government to get this song banned. And I support those people that call for the government to ban this song. It's time for the government to ban this song. We cannot have a situation where we have a group or a party that want us or want to pull our children back to that oppressive state. Now, the EFF is a very youthful party. A lot of black youth support the EFF, but we cannot have a situation where we... Just have a look at this video. We cannot have a situation where we pull free children that have no stake in apartheid back to that oppressive state. We cannot allow another free generation to become liberation fighters. In order for us to get a stake in the economy, we need to be innovative, creative. We need to come up with engineering projects, good governance. And in order to move the country forward as one, we need to have a sense of loving one another. We cannot build a country on division. And that's the reason why I'm saying it's time for us to say, stop chanting. This kill the boer, kill the farmer must come to an end. It is to the advancement of black people in general to get rid of this song. We cannot live in that spirit of oppression. We're living in a free country. We cannot live in a free country with oppressed mindset. It's time for us to move on. So yeah, that's just my reaction based on that, guys. I don't support the ruling of the Constitutional Court. It is wrong, it is immoral, and it's concerning to see how people celebrate those type of rulings.